Welcome back. Now I'm going to teach you how to get fit. And so we're starting with my monkey bars, and I'm going to show you that I can do pull-ups, but you need to get your arms very strong. Your arms have to be strong enough for you to do a cartwheel. But it's easier to do it like that. So I'm going to show you my cartwheel. And now we're going to do these things that we hang on. I can skip 2 bars on these, but not on the monkey bar. But I can only skip on these 2 bars. I can skip. I can't do this right stuff. I can't do that, but I'll try my best. And now we're gonna move on to the other one that I like to do, type of monkey bar. This is a new one that I made up. I can't do a pull-up right here. I can't do a pull-up right there, but I could hardly do it close to the edge, one of the edges. So now I'm going to teach you how to do this swinger that we have. So first, we're going to do our other type of pull-up, which is like this. So this is kind of the one that I like. It's like the hardest one I know, but I made it up. I made this one up, okay? If you wanna do like me, you might like this trick. But if you want to do that trick too, we have to keep trying. You have to get a swinger like this, not like a round one that we sit on the swing, one like this. And if we want to do the other kind of pull-up, you need these things, and you need this kind of swinger, and it has to be low enough. So you can also do pull-ups on these rings, but this is what I mean the trick. This can be so hard. Well, not really, but it will be hard. Coffee. And now we're gonna do one more, which is that my brother can do. He's 2 years younger than me, but I can do this better because I'm 2 years older. I'm 6.5. My brother's only 4 years old. And a half. 1, 2, 3. God, this is one my brother. I'm going to teach you how to get the rope climb. Oh, remember, this is not how to do like other videos. Like I did one of these other ones, but they're not on YouTube yet, so you might see them soon. But this is not the same. This is how to get fit. So you have to get your hands here, high enough for you to fold. You need to get the. So I'm going to show you how to help you. So your feet will help you a lot. So first you have to get a foot under the rope, then one over with the one. With the foot over, you have to push the rope, and then you have to push the other foot. And then our arms have more strength to get up and higher. So I'll show you. Woo. So I'm going to teach you how to do the climbing thing, and it would be easy. My littlest brother, he's only 2 years younger than my brother is 4 years old. My brother is 4 years old. He doesn't want to make charms like me. I told him why he can make charms. So we have to get very less strength because this is super easy. You have to pull it up with our strength. And if you want to, you can slide down the rope. Woo! Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to do some push-ups and teach you how to do it. So you have to get your arms and legs very strong because push-ups can be very hard. If you can't do the real push-ups, just like this, then you can do it with your knees like this and do that. If you can't do the normal push-ups. But you need to get your arms very strong, and if you do a lot of push-ups, our chest muscles can come out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please watch more videos like this one. And remember, champions keep trying. Bye.